Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, we're going to be discussing, how to get a business address in, whether you start a new business or you need a professional address for mail and registrations. I will cover you in this guide. So let's first understand the concept. What is a virtual business address? So it is basically a real street address, which is provided by a service which allows you to receive mail, packages and official business correspondence without having a physical office. So what you want to do is you want to start by exploring a virtual address providers. For example, they are, iPostal One, or Regus, or PostScan Mail or Virtual Post Mail. So these services have locations throughout Florida, including major cities like Miami, Orlando, and Tampa. So once you have chosen a provider, you want to just visit their website and browse the available Florida locations. Okay, so you're going to see a bunch of Florida locations. You're going to select a city or area that actually best suits your business needs. And next, guys, what you need to do is you want to actually sign up for a plan. Okay, and you know, like during the registration, you provide some personal and business information. So in addition, you'll actually also need to complete USPS, Form 1583, which basically allows the service to legally manage your mail. The form requires notarization, which many services offer online for convenience. So after you actually complete the process, guys, you will gain access to your virtual address, and many providers actually offer features like mail scanning, forwarding, and a digital access to your correspondence. And you can even use this address for business registration, or marketing, or receiving packages. And that's it, guys. You're all set, with a professional virtual business address in Florida. If you found this video helpful, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you guys